Home test kits are not only hard to find, but the cost can really start to add up.
Now, starting tomorrow, health insurance companies will be required to foot the bill. The new Biden administration mandate is designed to expand access to tests to everyone, regardless of the costs. While patients won't be paying, the new unfunded mandate will cost insurance companies here in Michigan billions.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner going in depth tonight to explain the change and where the money is coming from.
It continues to be a mad rush just to find these.
We had to go to, I think, 6 or 7 different places.
It's great insurance is going to pay for them, but we have to have the supplies for them.
Just about everywhere you look, the shelves are empty.
We bought 2. We didn't want to hoard. I think that's an issue right now. I think people are just buying everything up.
The Biden administration says at-home tests are a game changer.
We've already seen the strain in our hospital system. And I know part of the challenge is in the people in some parts of the country have had a hard time finding tests.
The Biden mandate was announced last month, and Monday these requirements for insurance companies were issued. They must pay for up to 8 tests a month for each person covered. For a family of 4, that could be 32 tests per month. An unlimited number when ordered by a doctor or a member with underlying health conditions. Insurance companies are scrambling for Saturday.
As you can imagine, this will be a fluid situation. So where we land for Saturday might not be where we land next week or the week after.
HAP is Michigan's 3rd largest commercial healthcare insurance company. With 430,000 members, they say this unfunded mandate will cost $250 million just this year. And self-insured employers who team up with HAP, another $200 million. Blue Cross Blue Shield, the largest in Michigan, in a statement tells 7 Action News, throughout the pandemic, Blue Cross has covered over 5.5 million COVID tests at a cost exceeding $430 million. We're currently reviewing how best to comply with it, as we do with all federal mandates. No one is talking legal challenge to the Biden mandate yet.
I am a bit surprised we haven't yet. I think employers and insurers are still processing and trying to understand the impact.
HAP is working to set up preferred providers, retailers who will have tests available free for members, also a system for mail orders, and a process for reimbursement when tests are bought by the member.
Keep this in mind as well. The cost to an insurance company of somebody who gets sick with COVID-19, especially somebody who may get quite ill, is quite significant. And testing is a way that we can identify infection early and then limit the spread.
The Biden administration is buying 1 billion of these home tests. They will be able to mail them out to you free in the weeks ahead. Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you much.